pseudonyms.
Uriya mugabo ngo ni Salizar ameze nk'ikinyaruvi kiba cyishe inyuma y'amasura menshi.
He was called McIntyre.
Icyumweru gishize bamwita ukwezi gushize bamwitaga McIntyre.
Before that, Rodriguez.
Ukwezi kwari kwabanje bamwitaga Rodriguez.
Salazar, you must attack him legally.
Rero Salizar ushaka kumwataka mbambona inzira nziza yo kumwataka maru kumwataka ukoresheje amategeko. Ukanamwataka udakoresheje amategeko hago.
Half my team deals with the former, the other half the latter.
Evening all.
Mwese mumeze neza hakuno tu. Turafite team ijya kwishyuza abagabo bigize bakaryamye. Basore. Mabuja.
Bronco heads a team that specializes in extraction, intimidation, and sabotage.
Bronco yose afite team ishizobeye mu bintu byo gucikisha abantu, kugambana n'ibice byose.
Sydney's band specializes in corruption.
Hanyuma Sydney genge yisobanukiye ibintu byo gutanga amaruswa.
In covert surveillance.
Zabitugukwaha n'ibintu nk'ibyo byinshi. None. Salazar niwe tugiye kujya.
Manny Salazar is rare and unique.
Uriya mugabo Manny Salazar ni umugabo udasanzwe kandi uhari.
Salazar then buried those assets along with Braxton.
Braxton yari yagiye kwishyuza Salazar amushyingurana n'ibyo yishyuzaga. Turamubona gute uriya mugabo rero twe turamushobora gute? Turamuzana ku meza turabikora gute? Turashaka uburyo tumuvana w'inzi. Hakuno barabaza baze bamupangira ukuntu bagiye kumuvana mu bwisho umugabo Manny Salazar mpaka jewe akaza kubishakira ubwo barebye Justice League. Umugabo muramwibuka ngo Henry Cavill yagarutse yitwa Blanco.
I can only do this. First, must meet Salazar's infamous lawyer.
Bere na mbere tugomba guhura n'umunyamategeko wa Salazar.
Do this concealed in a Trojan horse.
Kandi ibyo kugira ngo bikunde ni ukumwinjizamo akantu Trojan horse. Undi yabwira gutera. Kwa kuntu umuntu akuzanira ikintu uzi ngo akikuzaniye ku neza yawe kumbi icyo kintu akuzaniye ari cyo kizakurangiza.
Oh, sorry to have kept you waiting, Miss Wild.
Umbabarire kuba natumye utegereza Miss Wild.
Staff has taken care of you.
Ndakeka abakozi banje bakwitaho.
Hi, Mr. Harvitz.
Meze neza nta kibazo Mr. Holt.